In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create actions to reset filters in a Tableau dashboard. Whether you're a Tableau beginner or an experienced user looking to enhance the interactivity of your dashboards, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open the Tableau public app on your computer. This is your workspace where all your visualizations will come to life, and having it open and ready is the starting point for creating any new functionality. Once the app is open, access your worksheet that you intend to use for this project. It's important to note that you should already have your sheets prepared and your dashboard created. This foundation will ensure that our steps to add a reset filter action will go smoothly. Next, open a new sheet. We do this because we need to create a new calculated field, which will serve as the mechanism to reset our filters. Navigate to the Analysis menu at the top of the window and select Create Calculated Field. Give your new field a name that will help you remember its purpose. Something like Reset works well. Type your query into the field and click OK to save it. Now, drag this newly created field to the text mark. This will allow it to be visible and interactive on your dashboard. Once it's placed correctly, you can fine-tune its appearance by clicking on the text mark again and selecting Edit. Here, you can customize how the text looks to fit the theme and layout of your existing dashboard. Next, ensure your sheet's view is set to Entire View. This guarantees the whole sheet is visible when it's dragged onto your dashboard. Return to your dashboard and drag the reset filter you just created onto the dashboard. This integrates the reset functionality into your current setup, making it available to use. Once positioned, you'll need to set up the action that will trigger this reset. Click on the Dashboard menu, then select Actions. Choose Add Action and then Filter from the options that appear. You'll need to name your action, so give it a clear identifier like Reset. In the Source Sheet section, select your reset sheet. Then, under the Run Action On section, choose Select to specify how the action will be triggered. In the Target Sheet section, make sure to select all sheets except your Reset Filter sheet. This ensures the action affects all other sheets on your dashboard. Select the option for selected fields and input all the filters that you want to be reset when this action is triggered. Click OK to confirm and create this action. Finally, it's time to test your reset filter. Interact with your dashboard by applying some filters and then use your newly created reset action to clear them. If everything is working as planned, your filters should revert to their original state, confirming the reset function you've crafted is effective and operational.